Alright, so this is how to add an hyperlink or a clickable link to your design in PDF format. So you first of all create your design in any of your favorite design software. So for my case, I'm using Photoshop. So after the design, you have to leave the space that you're going to put the link, you leave it blank. So you export your design as PDF, understand? So you might use any kind of software that you use to design, does not matter. So the matter is that you export this as PDF and you save it. So after saving as PDF, alright, so when you save as PDF, what you want to do is to wait for it to load. So after loading, after saving, you go and confirm the software. Then what you want to do is go to Canva. You open Canva. So after opening Canva, what you do is you click on upload. You go to canva.com and you click on upload. So you upload your PDF file to Canva. Alright, so you wait for it to load here. As you can see, sometimes it depends on your network speed anyways. So that is done, loading. You can see it's loading. So after that you want to include your hyperlink. So what you want to do is to go to test. You add a test, so you click on test 2, then you add a test. Alright, so after adding the test box, you type whatever you want to use as the hyperlink. So for me, you can decide to use any text, and make it a link. I mean, so for me, I type on join us to get started. However, I am still going to use my link. For that, I just use that to fill that space. So you click on link button. After you click on link, then you go and copy your URL. That means the URL that you want to direct them to, you copy it and you paste it to that enter link box. Then you click on OK. Now for this part, this is the sensitive part. So for here now, you can decide to change the clickable text that you added in the first place. For me now, I'm replacing it with this short link. You understand? So that it will look professional for your design. So for that now, I've made that link a clickable link, such that when they click on it, it will redirect them to that particular design WhatsApp platform. So you can decide to change the color of your link to blue, such that it will give the vibe of a link, a live link. So we are done, and our link is now an hyperlink. It is clickable and it can redirect. So what we want to do is to download. So you click on share and you click on download. You go to PDF standard and then you click on download. So you wait for it to download. Does not take any long time. So you go to your downloads and you can see there. So let's open it and see that and confirm if it's clickable. So let's click on it. Yes, so it's clickable, but it's not opening on browser, so I have to bring it to to my phone. You see, so you click on it and if you click on join group, it will add you to the group. And if it's other WhatsApp, that's what will happen. It will just direct you to that person's DM.